Have you gone on a coffee day with your daughter or a son? Generally, we don't. As parents or elders, we don't. Though we are in a crowd, but we are always isolated. And we keep cribbing and saying that the relationship is strained and we are not able to attune ourselves with our children. There is a generation gap. All these are like cliche. That's it. It's only to talk about it. But then when you see the reality, what you require is the emotional connect. The connect is very, very important here. Generally, what I advise when when parents come to me or anybody comes to me for that matter to say that my son doesn't even speak to me all the time. He slams the door. My daughter doesn't even respect me, and she's always with her peer, and it is the peers who decide what she wants to do. But why? That's where I ask you, have you gone on a coffee day with your daughter? Try it out. You try it out. What happens is initially there is an inhibition. Fix up a day in your calendar. Maybe it could be a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whichever day that you prefer, especially the mother and the daughter, father and the son. You need to take this as a cue. Let them go out separately. It is between them. When they go out separately to a coffee day, maybe the initial conversation may not even happen because of the fear, because of the respect, or because of any other reasons. The usual conversation may not happen. The father needs to be just the listener. The mother needs to be just a listener there. Initially, the ice is broken at the coffee day in a coffee house only because they are on the same platform. That's where the friends assemble. That's where they have a fun. So hence, it's better to take your child out on a coffee day wherein slowly the barrier between you and the child or you and the other person would really break up. Then the bonding becomes stronger between the human being. Try it out. Think about it.